Okay, so students, in the virtual class, we learned three things. First, we learned the gallery, means you can add the different shapes. Then, we learn about the second, that is the shape, inserting objects in the document. First is the second is the shape, used to insert shapes with or without text. These are the different shapes available for that. Next, pictures. We also add the pictures that will be available in our computer, that is available in your file. It is used to insert a saved picture on your computer. You can also add your own picture. This is the symbol that from that you can choose your images. Now we are going to learn the next one, that is the font work gallery. What is the font work gallery? It is used to add decorative text in the different color and the shapes. So first of all, what is the symbol of that? This A in the show and draw function is the symbol of the font work gallery. So let's take an example for that. I have a one document of OpenOffice Writer. I'm going to add a one font work gallery. I already opened the show and draw function. This is the show and draw function. Whenever you take the arrow at that, it will be show that. Click on that. So at the bottom, one line will be added. That is called the all the show and draw functions over here. So different shapes available here. This is the symbol to select the picture from the file, and with it, that is a font work gallery. Font work gallery is used to add the decorative text. आपको decorative text add करना हो तो आप उसके लिए font work gallery का use करोगे. Click on the font work gallery. Whenever you click it, you can see the different type of available in your computer. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि कितने types के available है यहाँ पे. For example, I am selecting this one. Press OK. So you can see at the bottom it will be added. You can move it also. आप उसको move भी कर सकते हो इस तरह से, drag and drop. Okay, whenever you double click on it, you can change whatever you want to add. For example, I am writing a poda, and just it will be changed to the poda. If you want to add the other one, I am pressing the enter, going to the second page and add other font work gallery. You can add your choice font work gallery over here. So I am choosing this one, press OK. So font work will be added here. Name written will be font work. Decreasing size using a green arrows. So size will be decreased. Using of येलो डॉट यू कैन रोटेट इट. आप उसको रोटेट कर सकते हो. आप एरो भी देख पा रहे हो उसका कि किस तरह से एरो आ रहा है. दिस ऑप्शन इज अवेलेबल फॉर सम of the font work, not for the everyone, right? It will be converted to the straightforward. Whenever you double click on that, whatever you want to write down here, so you can, I'm writing here the podar, and click on the side, so it will be converted to it. आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, उसको छोटा करो, बड़ा करो, उसकी साइज छोटी बड़ी करोगे तो वो आपको अच्छा लगेगा. फिर भी आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तो आप वापस से उस पर क्लिक करोगे फॉन्ट वर्क गैलरी पे एंड चूज योर अदर वन. एंड व्हेनेवर यू प्लेस द बैक स्पेस इट विल बी डिलीटेड. आप इस तरह से कुछ देखते तो हो यहाँ पे, राइट. इस तरह के ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल होते हैं तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. इट विल बी रोटेटेड ऑल्सो. मेनी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द कलर देन यू कैन चेंज इट फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, other color I'm choosing, so you can identify difference between them. Okay, I'm taking this one. or you can choose other one also, like this. Okay, double click on that, writing down again the Podar. I am writing also Podar school only. So you can see that it will be converted to it. वो उस तरह से कन्वर्ट होके आपको दिखाएगा. Taking a bottom, that's why you can see identify it. If you want to change the color of this, so you can. Depend on you which type of color you want to choose. This is the border color. I'm taking a different one, that's why you can identify. आप साइड में देख सकते हो कि उसका कलर यहाँ पे चेंज हुआ है. I'm taking a lighter one so you can identify it easily. मैं यहाँ पे बॉर्डर का कलर चेंज कर रही हूँ तो आपको अच्छे से पता चलेगा कि बॉर्डर का कलर अभी यहाँ पे चेंज हुआ है येलो, तो वो उस तरह से चेंज होके आपको दिखाएगा. Taking a green, so it will be very clear to you. If you want to change the color of border, so you have to choose from here, or if you want to change the color of the text, so you have to choose here. So this is the font work gallery. Next, and the last topic of this chapter is the inserting special characters in the document. What do you mean by special character? Alphabets, you know that. Numbers, you also know that. But whenever you look on your keyboard, there are other symbols are also available in your keyboard. Right? So that type of symbols are called the special characters, and many more characters available in your computer. Special character, it is used to add the symbol or characters available on the keyboard, such as this type of symbols. So what do you have to do for that? You have to click on the insert menu, click on the special characters. So going to down, taking a third page. Okay, I'm inserting here only. Click on the insert menu, third option available named is the special character. So here there are many more special characters available to you. You can choose any of them. If you are changing the language, that type of language type special characters came. Click on that. Okay, so character will be inserted here. Secondly, I'm again click on the insert special characters. If you want to add this one, select it and click OK. If you don't want like this, just do the backspace. So many special characters are available here. Now it's time for the task. I'm giving you one task to you for the font work gallery. What is the how do you have to be perform a one font work gallery on the page number 33 of your textbook? There is already one task given to you on the learning by doing. Learning by doing का जो है पेज नंबर 33 आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में, इन द टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 33 में आपको लर्निंग बाय डूइंग दिया हुआ है. वो टास्क आपको पहले तो परफॉर्म करना है. Second task is that you have to be use a font work gallery and write down your name. आपको अपना ही नाम लिखना है. This is your task. I'm giving you two tasks. After this video, you have to be perform. Open the page number 33 from the textbook and perform the learning by doing. उसमें shapes आपको दिए हुए हैं. First जो shape आपको दिया होगा that is used by the font work gallery. उसमें font work gallery का use दिया हुआ है. I'm showing you that also. here on the top shapes, आपको जो shape आपको दिखाई दे रहा है वो font work gallery है, same आपको use करना पड़ेगा. At the bottom 3 shapes are given. Below that rectangle, sorry, ellipse are drawn, and in it write down the name of above circle, rectangle and the triangle. Second task is that you have to be do the font work gallery. You have to use the font work gallery and write down your name. जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ लिखा था पोदार स्कूल, वैसे आप अपना नाम लिखोगे. So this is task for you today. And now I'm going to end the video here. And today we are ending the chapter. On the next session, I will be share a notes to you, workbook to you, and you have to be completed. Bye everyone. Have a good day.